Imagine this. You wake up one morning, check your bank account, and realize you have no idea where your money went. Bills keep piling up, your savings are almost empty, and retirement feels like a dream you cannot reach. Scary, right? What if I told you that with just a little bit of planning, you could completely flip that story around? That is exactly what personal financial planning does. And today, we are breaking down why it matters more than you think. Number one, what personal financial planning really means. Personal financial planning is not just about saving money in a jar or cutting down on lattes. It is about creating a roadmap for your money so you know exactly where it should go and why. Think of it like using GPS. Without directions, you may drive around aimlessly. With financial planning, you set clear goals like buying a house, retiring comfortably, or paying for your kids' college, and then figure out the exact steps to get there. Example: imagine you want to buy a car in 2 years. Instead of just hoping you will have enough money, a financial plan helps you figure out how much you need to save each month and where to put that money. Suddenly, the goal feels realistic instead of impossible. Number two, why money slips through your fingers. Most people think they do not earn enough to plan. But the truth is, even people making six figures often feel broke. Why? Because without a plan, money disappears. It gets eaten up by impulse spending, subscriptions you forgot to cancel, or simply not knowing your numbers. Research shows that Americans waste over $18 billion every year on unused subscriptions alone. That is billions just vanishing. Planning forces you to track, notice, and redirect that money toward things that actually matter to you. Number three, planning reduces stress and anxiety. Money stress is one of the leading causes of anxiety in America. According to studies, over 70% of Americans feel stressed about money regularly. That stress is not just mental, it affects your health, sleep, and relationships. But here's the thing. Once you know you have a plan, like knowing your rent is covered, your bills are on autopilot, and your savings are growing, you instantly feel more in control. The chaos disappears. Think about how calm you feel when your room is finally clean after a mess. Financial planning does that for your money life. Number four, setting goals makes dreams achievable. Without a plan, dreams stay dreams. But with goals, they turn into action steps. For example, let's say you want to retire at age 60 with enough money to travel. That sounds huge and overwhelming, but a financial plan breaks it into chunks. Maybe it shows you that if you save $400 per month into a retirement account starting now, you will get there. Suddenly, the dream has a clear path. Think of it like training for a marathon. You do not run 26 miles on day one. You build up step by step. Financial goals work the same way. Number five, building an emergency safety net. Life throws curveballs. Job loss, medical bills, car repairs, they never come when you are ready. Without an emergency fund, you end up relying on credit cards and sinking into debt. Financial planning makes sure you are protected. A common rule is saving 3 to 6 months of expenses in an emergency fund. That way, if you lose your job, you are not panicking the next morning. Example: imagine your car breaks down and the repair costs $1,000. If you have an emergency fund, you pay it and move on. If you do not, you may end up swiping a credit card and paying it off for months with interest. Number six, avoiding debt traps. Many beginners fall into the trap of buying things they cannot afford with credit. Interest rates on credit cards can be over 20%. That means buying a $500 TV on credit could cost you $600 or $700 by the time you are done paying it off. Financial planning helps you avoid these traps by teaching you to budget, prioritize needs over wants, and use credit responsibly. Instead of drowning in debt, you build assets. Think about it like this. You can either pay interest to the bank or earn interest for yourself. Which side do you want to be on? Number seven, growing your money through investing. Here is where curiosity kicks in. Did you know that your money could double, even triple, without you working extra hours? That is the power of investing. Financial planning introduces you to tools like retirement accounts, index funds, and even real estate. For example, if you invest $200 a month starting at age 25, by the time you hit 65, you could have over $500,000 thanks to compound growth. That is the magic of letting your money work while you sleep. Without a plan, Most people never take advantage of this and end up struggling in retirement. Number 8. Saving money on taxes. Here is something people rarely talk about. A good financial plan does not just help you earn more, it helps you keep more by legally reducing your taxes. For example, contributing to a 401k or Roth IRA can lower your taxable income and save you thousands over the years. Families can also use 529 plans for kids' education savings, which grow tax-free. Imagine keeping an extra $2,000 every year because of smart tax planning. Over 20 years, that is $40,000. That is a vacation home or a fully paid college tuition. Number 9. Protecting your loved ones. Financial planning is not only about you. It is about the people you care about. Insurance, wills, and estate planning all fall under this. For instance, if something happens to you and you have no plan, your family could be left with debts or no financial support. But if you set up life insurance or a will, they are protected. Think about it like wearing a seatbelt. You hope you never need it, but if something happens, you are glad it is there. Number 10. Planning helps you retire with dignity. No one dreams of working until they are 80 just to pay bills. Yet, millions of Americans have little to nothing saved for retirement. Why? Because they never planned. With financial planning, retirement stops being a mystery. You decide how much you want to live on, calculate what you need to save, and build a strategy to get there. That way, instead of worrying about money in your golden years, you can actually enjoy them. Imagine spending retirement traveling, playing with your grandkids, or pursuing hobbies instead of stressing about bills. That is the power of planning. Number 11. Money gives you freedom, not just stuff. Here is the hidden benefit. Financial planning is not about being rich, it is about having choices. Freedom to leave a job you hate. Freedom to move to another city. Freedom to take a vacation without guilt. Example. Let's say you planned well and built savings. One day, your boss treats you unfairly. Instead of being stuck, you can walk away because you know you are financially secure. That is real power. Number 12. It is never too late to start. Some people think financial planning is only for young people or the rich. Wrong. It does not matter if you are 18 or 58. The earlier you start, the more powerful the results. But even starting today can make a huge difference. For example, someone in their 40s who starts saving for retirement now can still build a six-figure nest egg by 65. The key is starting, not waiting. As the old saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Number 13. Breaking money myths. A lot of beginners believe myths like, I will start when I make more money, or financial planning is too complicated. The truth? You can start with what you have, even if it is just $50 a month. And with technology today, there are simple budgeting apps and robo-advisors that do most of the heavy lifting for you. Do not let myths stop you. Financial planning is not about being perfect. It is about progress. Number 14. Small steps add up to big wins. You do not have to overhaul your entire life in one day. Planning is about building habits, tracking expenses, making a budget, paying off debt slowly, investing little by little. Think about brushing your teeth. Doing it once makes no difference. Doing it every day prevents cavities. Money works the same way. Consistency beats intensity. Example. A person who saves just $5 a day ends up with over $1,800 a year. In 10 years, that is $18,000. Small steps create big results. Number 15. Planning helps you handle big life changes. Life is full of transitions like getting married, having kids, buying a home, or starting a business. Each one comes with new financial responsibilities. A financial plan helps you prepare for those changes so you are not caught off guard. Example. If you are planning to have a baby, you can start setting aside money for medical bills, baby gear, and childcare costs ahead of time. That way, you step into parenthood feeling ready instead of overwhelmed. Number 16. It keeps you from comparing yourself to others. Without a plan, it is easy to look at what your friends or neighbors are buying and feel pressured to keep up. That is how many people end up overspending on things they do not really need. When you have a financial plan, you focus on your goals, not someone else's lifestyle. Example. Your neighbor buys a brand new car, but your plan shows you are only a year away from paying off your current car. Instead of feeling jealous, You feel proud because you are sticking to what works best for you. Number 17. Planning teaches kids good money habits. Your financial plan is not just for you. It is also a teaching tool. Kids often copy what they see. If they see you budgeting, saving, and investing, they are more likely to pick up those habits. Example: involve your child in grocery shopping with a budget. Let them see how you compare prices and make decisions. That simple lesson can stick with them for life. Number 18. It helps you make smarter spending decisions. A plan makes you think twice before buying something. You start asking, does this purchase fit my bigger goals? Example: instead of spending $300 on the latest gadget, you may decide to put that money toward your vacation savings. That one decision gets you closer to your dream trip instead of leaving you with a short-term thrill. Number 19. Planning prepares you for opportunities. Opportunities do not wait for you to get ready. Whether it is investing in real estate, starting a side business, or taking advantage of a market dip, you need to have money available. A financial plan makes sure you have funds ready so you can say yes when opportunity knocks. Example: if a friend invites you to invest in a promising startup, you can only do it if you already have extra money set aside. Without planning, you miss out. Number 20. It helps you avoid financial scams. When you have a plan, you know your goals and strategies. That makes it harder for scammers to trick you with promises of quick riches. Example: if someone offers you a scheme promising to double your money overnight, your plan reminds you that building wealth takes time. You walk away instead of losing money. Number 21. It improves your relationships. Money fights are one of the leading causes of stress in relationships. Couples who plan together fight less about money. When both partners know the budget, the savings goals, and the spending limits, there is less confusion and more teamwork. Example: instead of arguing over who spent what, a couple with a financial plan simply reviews their monthly budget together. The plan keeps both on the same page. Number 22. Planning gives you clarity and confidence. Uncertainty with money can feel paralyzing, but once you have a plan, you know exactly what steps to take next. That clarity builds confidence. Example: instead of wondering if you can afford to move into a new apartment, your plan tells you exactly how much rent you can handle without stress. Decisions become easier. You started this video wondering why financial planning matters. And now you see. It gives you peace of mind, protects your future, grows your wealth, and gives you freedom to live life on your terms. The question is not whether financial planning matters. The real question is, how will your life look if you do not start planning? So let me ask you, if you could fix one area of your money life today, saving, investing, paying off debt, or planning for retirement, which one would it be?